All right, I'm gonna show you how I made my homemade green screen. I got this from Walmart, this fabric. It's 144 by 44 inches. And I already had a staple gun. And the only thing you have to do is take this fabric, you just staple it to your ceiling or whatever you want it, or you can just hang it onto something, and it's that simple. So I'm gonna walk you through. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test, a green screen test, just to see if this wrinkled screen will work for what I'm doing. Maybe somebody want to try this. This right here cost me right at $10 to do. But I'm gonna get me a one. I just don't have time today. I didn't feel like ordering one off Amazon. So I just went to Walmart and picked up this fabric, and let's see how it will work. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through the steps I did to remove the green screen. We're gonna take this pre-recorded video that you guys just watched, this little clip, and we're gonna remove the background from it. So first you just get you an image right here, and you can get this off the internet or off your phone. It's just drag it and drop it on your screen down here. And this is Camtasia 2019. Pretty sure the 2021s are even better. But then you just come and just size it. I'm gonna size it to the screen I got. And to see what screen size you got, you can just right click and go to properties. And you can see I'm using a 1080 by 1920. Okay, once you got the background right here, I'm gonna just drag it and make it a little longer. You take the video that I recorded, I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna bring it down here, and I'm gonna drop it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna silence this video so it won't overtalk me while I'm talking here. So I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna put silence audio. Okay, now what I wanna do is remove this green background. Before I do it, I'm gonna go up here, I'm gonna crop this. I'm gonna click that right there, and I'm gonna come over, and I'm gonna crop it to where I just got the green in here. Okay, may bring that down a little bit, that's fine. So then once you do that, you wanna go to your visual effects. Click on that, where you see remove color, click, and you drag it on the photo or the video and let it go. And come over here where it says color, do the drop down, hit this little select color from image, click it once, and just go over here and click anywhere on the green. It's gonna identify what green you got. If you got good lighting and everything, it'll be even. You see mine is not that even, but we're gonna try it right here. Once you click on it, you notice that my shirt is kind of faded out. What you can do is go over here to the tolerance, and you can just adjust that stuff in and out. You see I'm going up, everything's fading out, so I'm gonna have to go down. So I'm gonna go down, probably, let's go ahead and use 5 for right now. Then we're gonna go to the softness. I'm gonna see what that does. See how that fade in and out? Okay, that's cool. So I'm gonna go to the softness. Let's change that to about 6. And you can go over here, this hue, let's see what it does. It just changed the color of my skin and my shirt. Defringe. Okay, that's 100%. Look like it's dark to light, so I'm gonna just leave that to 0, the original color. Let's come over here, hit 0. Then what you can do, just go over here. You can go right up here and hit this arrow button so we can make this smaller. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Okay, and we're gonna test it. Let me turn my audio back on. What you have to do is right click and go to remove audio points. And let's play this and see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test, a green screen test, just to see if this wrinkled screen will work for what I'm doing. Maybe somebody want to try this. This right here cost me right at $10 to do. But I'm gonna get me a one. I just don't have time today. I didn't feel like ordering one off Amazon. So I just went to Walmart and picked up this fabric. All right, looked like it worked pretty good for what I wanted to do. So if you guys want a $10 fix or you don't feel like ordering stuff from Amazon, just try this. But if you want to order one from Amazon, just look in the description below and have a great day. Thank you.